Sandy. What ride are we on? Huh? That one? That's all you're gonna say is that one.
Inside the vehicle.
We put English.
Yes.
Now what are we doing?
I don't know, it took us an hour.
Yeah. Mars in the far front of us.
Yeah.
Your time machine will slowly rotate backwards and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow moving journey, your time machine will welcome aboard. Where you from?
Oh, I think we got our picture taken.
Yes. Look.
Oh.
All systems are go. Link down to your guide.
Should I hold my ears?
No.
Grand and miraculous spaces. Our planet is
I'm scared.
We should be.
It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next bright idea. Recording our knowledge on cave walls. It was only once before. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding reeds plant is inventing papyrus. A papyrus. Papyrus in turn creates a record. It also represents the dawn of dream. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with all of them, have they created a simple common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? That's the Phoenicians. They invented it. First, they establish public schools, and then begin teaching an intriguing subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today.
Ulis monis, in Sofian et Livum catatifer. Ganos, deie, catecun mala mistir. Getiol, liute apoti mathematikin Sofia. Prosperati. Terrisu tempos i mathematikin conductor.
With lessons learned from the Greeks, the Romans created a powerful empire. To move their armies around, they built a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first worldwide road, and it's leading us to the United States. But then we get Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. Here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. Gutenberg invented the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do. It's easier to invent the future in every field. As a result of an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance. Just at the beginning. Now, communication technology races headlong into the future. And people all over the world are sharing life's most important moments faster than ever before.
Auditory Stop. Hundreds gather today to witness the driving of the golden spike.
Probably if you need to.
And stop on another gold medal run. Jesse Owens makes America proud with 4 gold medals at the 1976 Olympics in Berlin.
With communicating from anywhere on Earth. And in 1969,
Jesse
from
Owens
somewhere
is history. This humble
to send a man to the moon, we have to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first, I had large, very expensive. To have one of these amazing machines in their own house. But just one problem. They're as big as a house. The solution comes of all places and variety of people. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. After 30,000 years of time travel, here we are. A truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
For your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is attention.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions. Then we'll show you a new world, custom-made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about.
What's my future gonna look like, honey?
I don't know. I'll find out.
Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready.
There you
Let's have a
are.
look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future?
Well, my future is gonna look like what?
Well, in the future, your home in the city will be a smart home that automatically knows what you want.
I look like that?
Almost as soon as you
Yeah.
need something for a special occasion? Your closet comes equipped with a computerized personal shopper that helps you purchase a custom-made outfit, even if it's for today. Now that's a smart look. No problem. Just pack up and go. Your smart home has everything organized to help you start your day. The world will literally be at your fingertips because your home's information network can bring you your daily news almost anywhere. And since you don't enjoy cleaning, robotic housekeepers will help you with your daily chores.
There you go.
Your smart home will know when it's time for you to leave and make sure you're dressed for success in your custom manufactured clothes. Time to relax. But if you, of course, your smart home has already sent for your automated car, which takes you where you want to go, while you relax and enjoy a beautiful view of the future. Beautiful tomorrow.
That's it?
There you go. What did you think?
Should I say the beginning of your future?
That's right, the beginning of your future, honey. What did you think?
Okay.
Here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
Well, see me in the future, honey.
I'll see you in the future, all right.
That sounded like a threat.
I'm just kidding. Of course I'll be with you in the future. Silly.
I think we're landing.
Yeah, we're landing.
Yay!
Welcome back, Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit the project tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place. You will be able to
Well, that was
your hands for
Project Earth.
Yeah, that was cool.
Bye.
Bye.